Nate. Good morning, mahal. Where are we going later? Look at here. Nate, where are we going later? Dubai. Nate. Yes, we're going to Dubai. Look at here. Are you excited? That's our first time. We're here now at Abu Dhabi. Ay, talaga naman pala. Ay, naman talaga, my love. Opo. Now it's 8:27 a.m. here. And then I think it's 1 p.m. in the Philippines right now. Now, my love. Are you excited? Yes. We're going to Manila. Dubai. Here we come. We're in sunglass, mahal.
Sus, kapogi naman yun.
Oh, balik. Let's go. Now, my love.
Hi, love.
You're so serious. Where's Daddy? When you wake up, we are in Dubai. Ay. So cute. Dubai, yes, Hey, do you have a good dream? You're in Dubai? They want to give him biscuit. Yay! Ooh, don't cry. Tear eye. Don't cry. I know. I can see.
Wait.
What happened? Don't cry. Oh.
You like the height?
Wow, it's really good. It's nice. And big. Oh. Oh my God.
Look, it's stuck down the swimming pool stand.
Nate, what did you say? Ah, swimming pool. You want to swim? Wow. That is Burj Khalifa. Hi guys, welcome to our vlog.
Nag-video lang sa isa't isa.
Yes na. Hi ate. May grocery na ba tayo? Chara. Agad-agad. It's nice. This is the toilet. First toilet. Wait, Daddy. It's nice. Daming kwarto. This is our room. Wow. Hi guys! Hi guys!
Our neighbors! This
Look!
big, the place.
Hi Nate!
Astrophy.
Wow.
James!
Nate!
Mama.
Wow! Oh my God, Nate! Not scared? I love you, mahal.
He's going to climb up.
So, hindi masyadong mainit sa panahon ito. Daddy, this is the access to our room.
Ah, that's ano?
Yeah.
Sa master na.
Yes. Yeah. Ang ganda. And then, ito yung room nila Nate. Kita lang yung labas. Timar, may mirror dito, oh. Nakikita yung outfit, OOTD. Timar. Ito.
Last bedroom here.
Ayan. And then, ang gulo na ng bahay. Ano? Okay lang kayo dyan? Ganda na kuha dyan, Timar, no? We will see.
Okay, 1, 2, ready. Smile. Smile.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I owed him up.
Happy birthday to you. Dan 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 dan. Happy birthday, Nate James. Ang ingay ko. 3. Happy birthday to you. Si Mr. A siya dadamay talaga eh. Chan mo.
Oh, your toys! Okay na.
Okay, okay, okay. Aura, aura. Aura, aura. Okay, okay, aura. Okay, ang Burj Khalifa. Okay, okay, aura, aura. Okay, 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 okay. Aduy!
This is our building.
Pinanggit lang yung videos ko.
Yes. Singapore.
I'll go.
Let's go. So busy. Parang pagdating ng
Mamaya may ano na tayo dito, may ipot na tayo dito ng ano, birds.
Daddy. Are we gonna drink?
Can't drink.
Ay, wala pala. So,
Walang?
in the house na lang pala. Walang alcohol, hindi, hindi mabenta ng later. What is this?
What is Q?
What is two? Kami natin. Kay mama. Alfredo. Ay, taray ah.
Magkano pa ba tayo dito?
Gabi! Abot tayo ng gabi dito. Yan na pong galawin. Ito na lang yung capture. Ayan. Thank you.
So 1, 2, 3.
May drink siya mamaya. Okay. Hindi pa tabingin. Wow!
Bakit malaglag? Look at these shoes.
Bigat mo dong. ba? Smile! Hindi ko nakain buhati. Look! Ikaw yan. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Happy birthday to you. Wow. Yung tiyan niya, nakakratap na. Big dami. Smile! Okay na, tayo ko na lang si Nick. 1, 2, 3. Smile! Hey, James! 1, 2, 3. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Smile! Hey, James! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy, if you're happy and you know and you really want to show. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And smile, 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 smile. Take 2. Thank you. Wow, that's Dubai chocolate. This is literally Dubai in Dubai.
Ang galing mag-vlog ah. This is literally.
Eat your paso.
Sarap niya guys.
Nick, look. The plan? Did you enjoy the dinner?
Of course, I was sat next to you.
Of course, I paid.
So kind and
1.8.
generous.
1.8 lang naman. Pero dirham. Compute na lang guys. Times 16. We're going home. Airbnb.
We're all so tired.
Lihims is
We'll go to the shop,
laki.
get some water, get some whatever is on the list.
This is our building.
Lang yung videos ko.
Vitamins. Wow, ganda yan ah. Ha?
Bakit parang takbo ka?
Kala ko saan mo, Iben?
Alam mo tayo, ibaba mo din. Ayun na may face. Ayan.
Tatakbo nga.